Hey, English 9 students, this is Mr. Kelly. I miss you, and I hope everyone is being healthy and doing okay. I'm going to do one of these little talked through slideshows each Monday with the work you have to do and any lessons or skills we got to work on. But we're keeping things pretty simple for this time. You were supposed to do one more essay, which was going to be a poetry analysis essay, but instead we'll do the same kind of skills with one more paragraph, very similar to the paragraph you were working on right before we left for our big break. So we're going to talk about marking period 3 overall. We're going to talk about your paragraph assignment and remind you to do a little check-in quiz. We'll keep this pretty quick. So new materials and assignments will be posted on Monday. That's how it should be for all your classes. So check Classroom each Monday. And I'll have a quiz each Monday in Classroom that will basically be your attendance. It'll just show me that you looked at the slideshow and know what you're doing. So just make sure that you fill out that quiz. Otherwise, I'll bug you to make sure you know what you're doing. Also, we have office hours, as you probably know, for each of your classes. Our office hours are, actually, it's Wednesdays and Fridays. I'll fix that in the slideshow. Wednesdays and Fridays. So for period 5, they'll be 12:45 to 1:30. For period 7, 2:35 to 3:20. Now, you know me. You can text me and ask me questions or email me whenever. But that'll be the specific time that I'm, dedicated to just looking at your class and helping you out if you need it. Now, for this week, we only have office hours Wednesday because of the spring break days, and next week only Thursday. So if you need help, check with me one of those days. And your final assignment is a 20-point summative poem analysis paragraph. It's identical to the paragraph you did before we left on the White House to practice, but this will be a real summative grade. And you can redo almost any other assignment if I give you permission. So if you have something you want to redo, just check with me. I can't promise I'll let you redo anything, but if you have a good reason or ask nicely, there's a good chance. I do want to note for your grades that the progress checks were forced to be canceled by Montgomery County, but for almost all of you, taking it away made your grade go higher, so you should be happy about that, but no more progress checks. Now, in terms of the assignment, I'm going to give you 2 poems. These are on Classroom. You're going to pick one of the 2 poems, whichever one you like better or understand better. You're going to analyze, like we did for the White House, either the first half or the second half, so you have a lot of choices here. You're going to write one paragraph, and it's going to be in the same little organizer as last time. Let me show it to you again. So here are our poems. We've got Death Sonnet 1 by Gabriela Mistral. Okay, so you would pick either above the line or below. And I've got little footnotes to help you with some of the harder words you might not know. Or we've got a poem by Edna St. Vincent Millay. And again, you would pick the first half or the second half, and I have some definitions down here. And you'll be filling out, again, this is identical to what you were doing before we left. You can either just write a paragraph here, you can imitate my sample there, or if you want a little bit more structure, you can literally fill in each sentence one by one. I'll tell you what you have to do and give you a sample of what it should look like. So just follow the directions, and you should be good to go. And if you do this early enough, don't wait until the Friday before marking period 3 ends, I'll give you feedback and you can fix any errors you might have. So if you want to make sure your grade is good, that's the way to do it. So now this is done, go quickly fill out the Google form quiz that just shows you watch this and know what you're doing. That'll be your attendance for the week. And you can start working on your poem paragraph when you're ready. And just a reminder, don't Google analysis of the poems, because if you copy it, I'll catch you with a plagiarism checker and you'll get a 0 out of 20, and that won't be good for you. Now, you can look up the poems if you just want some help understanding what they're talking about, but please don't actually copy somebody's essay. All right, good luck, everybody, and I'll be here to help you out, I guess this Wednesday if you need anything, or just text me. Bye-bye.